Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have in this video I'll show you how you can send audio to WhatsApp status. And yes, without any further delay, let's start. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is, first of all, go to the WhatsApp app over here. Then from this section you're going to go to this updates option at the bottom left corner. Now tap on add status, tap on the voice icon over here and simply hold to record. Now we have simply recorded, and then if you are comfortable with whatever you want to share, you can simply choose your color palette as well. Once you have chosen, tap on down on top left corner, and there you go, your voice recording is ready to be shared. Tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner and it will be shared. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.